Hello my beautiful Leo, welcome to my channel. Let's see from 8th to 14th of October how your day will go. Okay, one card has come. Mistake I have done. Okay. Card from your universe. Okay, what universe are telling about your days. Or your ancestors. Okay, the message from Mermaid. Okay. Let's see what 8th of October is saying about you. Okay, you will have the transformation. Okay, angels are trying to tell that you will have the transformation in that day. Maybe some project will finish, a new project will start, or something can end, or new things will come on your way. Okay, universe are trying to tell you that don't be worried about your loved ones. They are safe. Okay, look, a second card has come about your transformation. Okay, the transformation is coming. Maybe something will finish and another thing will start. Okay, maybe your job or your business or your maybe in love or relationship. Okay, they're trying to tell that new, if your relationship is not working, I think that will end and a new beginning will start. Okay, and they're trying to tell I'm learning that ending are merely beginnings. Okay, they're trying to tell that for manifesting your dream, okay, or whatever you want, you should chant, okay, and do meditation. Okay, 9th of October. Wow, new beginning is starting. They are telling, okay, 8th of October that something is ending, but 9th they are showing that new beginning is coming for you. Happiness is coming for you. Okay, maybe that is for about your personal life or your what is that called, work. In your work also, that will be new beginning and new opportunities are coming. Okay. So if you are not decided anything, okay, what you will do in future, okay, you have to set the goal. Okay, you have to decide what you will do in future. They are trying to tell you. Okay, and they are trying to tell that you should have the patience, and they are telling that I accept that everything happens in divine order. Okay, everything's happen in divine order. They are trying to tell you. Then they're trying to tell that you don't know, you are more powerful than you realize. Okay, it's safe for you to be powerful. 10th of October, that you should have some stress in that day, because maybe about your work. Okay, yeah, and you should not be very much proudy. Okay, they are trying to tell that maybe you are so much proudy that because of that things you will have some stress. Okay, stress is coming, they're trying to tell you. Then maybe stress can come in your relationship also. Okay, about your relationship your stress is coming. They are trying to tell that. Then they are telling as your feelings towards your mother heal, your desire manifest more rapidly and accurately. Okay, 11th of October, you should leave something in that day, maybe some project. Okay, or something, you whatever you like, maybe you are doing something you cannot do properly, or how you have to do the half done work, and you have to leave something that day, they are trying to tell. And they are telling that hold your vision. Okay, hold your vision. Okay, whatever you are looking, just they're trying to tell that hold your vision. Okay, and they are telling you have to be balanced in everywhere, in every situation. Okay, I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world. Okay, and I do so without judgment. Okay, you should not do judgment. Okay, for doing balancing in everywhere. And you should make a decision in that day. They are trying to tell, if you are feeling stuck, okay, then listen to your intuition and make a decision about that. Okay, 13th of October. Okay, wow, 13th of October is very good card has come, that is 10 of Pentacles. You will get support, you will get everything in that day. Okay, everyone will support in your family, in your work, people will support you that day. And whatever you are like means in your dream, okay, whatever you are seeing, you should have a faith on that. Maybe that will come in true. There will be some changes can come also in that day. Everything is changeable. Okay, I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. Then they are trying to tell that you should say positive affirmation every morning. Okay, morning affirmations they are trying to tell, to open the gates of manifestation. Now 13th of October, 8th of Wands, 8 of Wands. Maybe some news can come, maybe you can do the journey also, you can go somewhere, some good news can come. Let me see. Yeah, some good news can come that day also. Okay, and because of good news you will feel more proud on yourself. Okay, they are trying to tell you, and they are trying to tell the surrender to the divine. Okay, don't every time do feeling proud, or don't be proudy. Okay, I know you love yourself, but don't be proudy. Okay, they are trying to tell. Sorry about that. So they are trying to tell, allow others to give you loving care. Okay, maybe you are not letting others to do for you. Okay, allow them, allow others to give you the loving care. Receive without guilt. or apologies. Okay, then 14th of October, let me see what is this. 3 of Swords. Oh wow, this is actually again the heartache. Maybe we'll have the relationship problem. Okay, you will have the relationship problem, maybe with your partner, with your family, friends. Okay, with anyone it can happen. And they are trying to tell that your new romantic cycle is coming. You will have lot of envy actually. Okay, in that day they're trying to tell you. And then next they are telling that eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow of activities. Even you should remove the clutter from your mind. Okay, okay then my beautiful Leo, I'll stop over here. I'll come again. Okay, until then, bye bye.